Hello and welcome to Cybernova. In this video tutorial, I will discuss about website mirroring using HTTrack website copier. In this video, you will learn how to create a replica or clone of any website and download it to your local system for analysis. Website mirroring is a useful technique for footprinting a target website and identifying possible exploits and vulnerabilities. To demonstrate this technique, we will use a tool called HTTrack Website Copier, which is an offline browser utility that downloads a website from the internet to a local directory, builds all the directories recursively, and transfers HTML, images, and other files from the web server to another computer. You can download and install HTTrack from their website. For this demonstration, we will use www.certifiedhacker.com as a target website. However, you can select a target domain of your choice. Let's get started. First, launch the WinHTTrack website copier. Click next to create a new project. Enter the name of the project here, test project, in the new project name field. Click next. Enter the target URL here, www.certifiedhacker.com, in the web address field and click Set Options. A WinHTTrack window will appear. Click on the Scan Rules tab and select checkboxes for the file types as shown in the video and click OK. Click the Next button. By default, the radio button will be selected for please adjust connection parameters if necessary. Then press Finish to launch the mirroring operation. Click Finish to start mirroring the website. You will see the site mirroring progress displayed as shown in the video. Once the site mirroring is completed, WinHTTrack will display the message Mirroring Operation Complete. Click on Browse Mirrored Website. If a pop-up window appears asking you how do you want to open this file, select any web browser and click OK. The mirrored website for www.certifiedhacker.com will launch. The URL displayed in the address bar indicates that the website's image is stored on the local machine. You can now analyze all directories, HTML, images, Flash, videos, and other files available on the mirrored target website. You can also check for possible exploits and vulnerabilities. The site will work like live hosted website. If the website does not open, navigate to the directory where you mirrored the website and open index.html with any browser. Some websites are very large and it might take a long time to mirror the complete website. The attackers can further use the vulnerabilities identified through HTTrack website copier to launch various web application attacks on the target organization's website. This concludes the demonstration of mirroring a target website using HTTrack website copier. You can also use other mirroring tools such as SEOTech, WebCopy, etc. to mirror a target website. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on ethical hacking and cybersecurity. See you in the next video.